Hello guys, welcome to Clout Challenge. Today we are going to see another crazy TikTok trend. This one is called Gunshot Dance. The song used in the trend is called Everything I Do It For You by Bryan Adams. Basically, somebody added gunshots to the instrumental of the song Everything I Do It For You. The song has also been covered by Brandy, but the song was originally written and performed by Bryan Adams. The trend have been done thousands of times. So if you want some clout hop on this trend, the trend challenge is very easy to do. Just do a little dancey dance when you hear gunshots. There is still a huge opportunity to catch this dance trend early on. Many people who have done this dance trend have gone viral. It is not difficult at all. It is very easy. As always, thank you for watching Clout Challenge, your home for trending challenges. Remember to like and subscribe.